Let's dive into a foldable showdown between the Nubia Flip 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. On one side, Nubia brings a massive 6.9-inch OLED display with a super sharp 1188 by 2790 resolution and a powerful Mediatek Dimensity 7400X chipset. On the other, Samsung counters with a Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display boasting HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, plus its cutting-edge Exynos 2500 chip. But which phone nails the display tech, camera prowess, battery life, and smart features better? Can Nubia's AI call assist and gesture controls outsmart Samsung's FlexMode and DeX desktop experience? And here's the kicker. Does Samsung's superior cover display and camera versatility justify its premium? Stay tuned because the answer might just flip your expectations. The Nubia Flip 3 offers a 6.9-inch foldable OLED with a stunning 1188 by 2790 resolution, delivering a sharper 439 ppi density compared to Samsung's slightly lower 397 ppi on its 6.9-inch Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X. However, Samsung's display excels in brightness, hitting 2600 nits peak with HDR10+ support, making it unbeatable in outdoor visibility. Plus, Samsung's cover display is a 4.1-inch Super AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, edging out Nubia's 4-inch OLED cover. The high-strength aluminum frame and 3rd-gen hinge on Nubia are solid, but Samsung's MOS Level 1 hardness adds extra durability. In sum, Nubia wins on sharpness, Samsung on brightness and toughness. Under the hood, Nubia Flip 3 runs on a Mediatek Dimensity 7400X built on a 4nm process with an octa-core CPU, while Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip7 sports the newer 3nm Exynos 2500 with a more complex 10-core CPU including a powerful Cortex-5 core. Samsung's GPU, the X-Clip 950, is also more advanced than Nubia's Mali G615 MC2, promising better graphics performance and efficiency. This means Samsung likely delivers smoother multitasking and gaming, making its platform the more future-proof choice. When it comes to standout features, Nubia Flip 3 impresses with AI call assist and gesture-based camera control, alongside a large cover screen designed for quick tasks. Samsung counters with its FlexMode and Flex window for versatile multitasking, plus Samsung DeX for a desktop-like experience, and AI Auto Zoom in FlexMode for smarter video calls. Both bring AI-powered innovations, but Samsung's ecosystem integration and dual recording capabilities give it a slight edge in productivity and creativity. Both foldables pack a 50-megapixel main wide camera paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, but Samsung's main sensor has optical image stabilization (OIS) and a slightly larger sensor size, enhancing low-light shots and video stability. Samsung also supports 4K video at 60 FPS and super slow motion up to 960 FPS, surpassing Nubia's 4K and gyro EIS stabilization. For video enthusiasts, Samsung's camera versatility clearly leads. Nubia's camera shines with AI Magic Eraser and Neo Vision AI enhancements, making it easy to clean up photos and improve image quality on the fly. Samsung, however, boasts the Pro Visual Engine for superior image processing, Director's View for Pro Manual Control, and a cover screen FlexCam preview, pushing creative boundaries further. Samsung's features cater to users who want more control and innovation in photography. Nubia Flip 3 packs a larger 4,610 mAh battery compared to Samsung's 4,300 mAh, potentially offering longer usage despite Samsung's more power-efficient 3nm chipset. This extra capacity might be a deciding factor for heavy users who prioritize battery life in a foldable.